That's high enough.
Thank you, thank you.
It's a nice hobby. It's a nice way to connect to nature in a city like this. It's fun to work with the bees. You can connect to nature. It's therapeutic. It's almost meditative to work in the beehive.
You need pollinators. A third of what you put in your mouth needs a pollinator. So it's important for pollinators to be prevalent in the environment. And in the city, believe it or not, bees do well because there's less pesticides generally. So it's better if you live in the country or live on a farm, which is where I'm from. I used to be a farmer. So you have to fight the pesticides and the monoculture. Having a lot of variety is wonderful for bees. That's what they like. They like a varied diet.